start new chapter from today. This is very very important chapter. Okay, దీంట్లో చాలా వెయిటేజ్ ఉంటుంది సార్ ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్కి బికాస్ పోర్షన్ ఈస్ బీన్ rescheduled, so this will have a lot of weightage in final examination, so you have to be thorough with this chapter. This chapter chala important sir. Okay, most important, so you should learn. What is the straight line? You join any 2 points in a plane. Okay, this is called line. Okay, what we say instead of line we say straight line. It can be horizontal, it can be vertical, it can be like this also, it can be just horizontal. Okay, so you can have the line can be slant like this also, so it can be any form. So what we say straight line. So once we say straight line, so we should have two concepts. What's this? Slope of the line. The formulas are very simple formulas sir, you should remember this. What is the slope of the line? Once I say slope of the line, like this, A point x1 y1, B point x2 y2. What is A point x1 y1, B is x2 y2. The slope is defined as m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope of the point given by A is equal to x1 y1, B is x2 y2. The slope is y2 minus y1. Very very important, first formula. Okay, now generally if you take a coordinate axis, this is a line which makes angle theta with x axis. Theta is the angle by line with x axis. Very very important sir, it is not with y axis, with x axis. It is given by m is equal to tan theta. What is the second formula? This is the first formula, we can say. What is the second formula? M is equal to tan theta. Okay, so this is a second formula. Slope, first point y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the next one? M is equal to tan theta. Next, if there are two lines, if I want AB, CD, these lines are parallel. AB parallel to CD, and if I say this is M1 is the slope and M2 is the slope. If I say M1 is the slope of the first line, M2 is the slope of the second line, then the condition is M1 is equal to M2. Slopes are equal. What is the third point? Slopes are equal, means M1 is equal to M2. Now for example, fourth point, this is AB, this is CD. Means what? AB is perpendicular to CD, or we say CD is perpendicular to AB. For AB line, CD is a perpendicular, means it is making angle 90. 90 degrees chestom sir. So what we say, AB is, and slope of this one is M1, slope of this 2 is M2. So if AB is perpendicular to CD, then condition M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Most important formula sir. Okay, parallel perpendicular means product of the slopes are equal to minus 1. What is M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. So first formula is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then M is equal to tan theta, and theta is angle made by line with x axis. Then if two lines are given, they are parallel. M1 is equal to M2, slopes are equal. If they are perpendicular, M1 M2 is equal to minus 1, that is product of the slopes are equal to minus 1. Okay, please note down this formula sir. Next, equation of the line. Slope, intercept form. Which form it is? Slope intercept form. What we say? This AB, this line. So what is this? Slope is M. What is intercept? It is making C. Means what? It is making some line, some value on the y-axis. C is the value on y-axis. C is the value on y-axis. C is the value on y-axis, right? And slope is M. Therefore, the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. Again, what is the formula? It is called y is a slope intercept form. Y is equal to what? Mx plus c. Okay. Next, 2-point formula. What is the 2-point form? Means what? x1, y1 is 1 point and b point is x2, y2. You are given 2 points, sir. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is also very important. 2 points are given. Next, so third formula, intercept form. Means it is making a comma b, 0 comma b. What is the intercept? Is making a comma 0, 0 comma b. Then the formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What is the formula? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is a slope intercept formula. Here 2-point formula, intercept formula. Next, point slope formula. Now point is x1, y1, slope is m. So formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, this is the fourth formula. So formulas you should know in this chapter. Next, if line equation, general formula is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the general formula? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A can be 0, b can be 0, but a and b cannot be 0. Okay, but a can be 0 or b can be 0, but a and b cannot be 0. That is a rule. The a can be 0, so only b and c will be there. If b is 0, a and c will be there. If both a and b are zeros, it will not be straight line, sir. And slope of the line is minus a by b, which is nothing but minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So we have got slope 3 formulas, sir. One is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next one, m is equal to tan theta. Next, m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So first formula is what we say, slope intercept formula. Y is equal to mx plus c. Intercept is given. Then 2-point formula. A is x1 y1, b is x2 y2. Formula is this. Intercept formula, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Next, point slope formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Line equation in general form. Generally, we write line equation with x, y and constant. X can be 0, x coefficient can be 0 or y coefficient can be 0, but both cannot be 0, and slope of the line is this. Okay, we will be using these formulas in this chapter. Okay, most of the formulas I have written, sir. Please note down properly. Let us start some problems. Find the slope of point. Find the slope of the line with the line points 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma 3, sorry. What are the points? 2 comma minus 3, 0 comma 3. So what is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is what, sir? This is x1 y1, x2 y2. 3 minus of minus 3, 0 minus 2. This is x1 y1, This is x2 y2. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Y2 minus y1. 3 minus of minus 3 divided by 0 minus 2. So 3 plus 3 by 0 minus 2 is minus 2. That is 6 by minus 2 minus 3. What is the slope? M is equal to minus 3. Right? Simple method. Next. Find the value of x if slope of the line passing from 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. Now he is asked to find the value of x if the slope of the line passing from 2 comma 5 x comma 3 is 2. We know what is the M formula? y2 minus y1 by solution by x2 minus x1. So x1 y1, x2 y2. So M is equal to y2 is what, sir? 3 minus 5 by x minus 2. So how much we get? Minus 2 by x minus 2. But what is the value he has given? If the slope of the line passing from this is how much he has given? 2. Given minus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. Minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. Cross multiply, sir. Bring minus 4 this side. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2x. So 2 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 1. Okay. So we are using the, here we are finding slope, here we have to find the value of x. Okay, next. Find the slope of the line parallel to the line joining the points 1 comma 4 6 comma 7. Now he is asking find the slope of the line parallel to the line joining the points 1 comma 4 6 comma 7. So what is the slope formula? Points are given y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what will happen? 7 minus 4 by 6 minus 1, that is 3 by 5. Okay, this you call it as M1. Since it is parallel, what is the condition? Slopes are equal. Means required line slope is, what is the M1 is equal to M2. What we say? M1 is equal to M2. Means what? M2 is equal to 3 by 5. Means second line slope. So what we have done? Slope we have found out, we say M1 is equal to M2. Okay, one more problem. Find the slope of line perpendicular to the line joining the points 1 comma 7, 3 comma 8. Now solution. Let required line slope is M2, right? And what is the M1? M1 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is the y2 minus y1? 8 minus 7 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 2. This is M1. We know M1 M2 is equal to minus 1 for perpendicular. If I write like that, this is a symbol for perpendicular. M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Already we got one. M1 is what, sir? 1 by 2 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore M2 is equal to minus 2. So what we have seen? How to find the slope, how to find the value of x, how to find the slope of the line when parallel condition is given, how to find the slope of the line when perpendicular condition is given. So these are basic problems. Okay, we will continue in the next class. This chapter is very big chapter, sir. So many problems will be doing it. Please maintain proper notes for this, sir. Okay, right. Thank you.